PCBs. What are PCBs? Polychlorinated biphenyls, or PCBs, are a family of 209 different chlorinated compounds, called congeners with the general structure of two benzene rings linked together. A biphenyl, where some hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine atoms. This chlorine substitution makes PCBs chemically stable, heat-resistant, and non-flammable, properties that made them attractive for industrial applications. Historical uses, from the 1930s until their ban in the late 1970s. PCBs were widely used in electrical equipment transformers, capacitors, and coolants, hydraulic fluids in lubricants, plasticizers in paints, sealants, and caulks, carbonless copy paper. Their stability and insulating properties were highly valued. But that stability is also what makes them a major environmental problem today. Environmental behavior of PCBs. PCBs are classified as persistent organic pollutants (POPs) because they do not degrade easily in soil, water, or air, bioaccumulate in fatty tissues of animals and humans, biomagnify through the food chain, meaning top predators, including humans, often have the highest concentrations. Because they are non-volatile, PCBs can also travel long distances in the atmosphere, making them a global pollutant. Health impacts of PCBs. Exposure to PCBs can occur through food, especially fish, meat, dairy, contaminated air, or soil. Documented health effects include liver damage and disruption of lipid metabolism, endocrine disruption, interference with hormones, especially thyroid function, neurotoxicity, developmental and cognitive issues in children, carcinogenicity. The International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, classifies PCBs as Group 1 carcinogens, known to cause cancer in humans. Regulation and remediation. PCBs were banned under the Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants in 2001. However, they remain in old equipment, contaminated soils, sediments, and ecosystems. Cleanup methods include soil washing, incineration, bioremediation, and containment. In summary, polychlorinated biphenyls are synthetic, chlorine-substituted aromatic compounds valued for their industrial utility, but now infamous as toxic, persistent pollutants. They exemplify the challenge of balancing technological progress with environmental and public health protection, a lesson in why chemical stability can be both a benefit and a burden.